Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. So guys, what really are going between Ashley, Jayden, and Fabbi? So Ashley really play side chick role with her ex-man. Apparently Jayden and Ashley were seen leaving the same Airbnb. Okay, alright, it could have just be that is a mere coincidence, but then there's a video making rounds where Ashley have video Jayden in the bed down to the man boxers on the bathroom floor. Ashley a video. I don't understand. And I don't know if it's about Fabbi either, because it's either she really blinded by love, or she just in it for the ride, or she just really no business. But to each his own, right? Let me know what you think in the comments.
Someone look at the front seat, no my God. I know how I'm reaching our bed, you know. I know how I'm reaching our bed. But when I wake up, I see myself in our bed.
I'm not a fucking respect for me. I'm do it already, you know. I'm do it already. I'm do it already. Before me and him go to Panama, him sleep out. I don't know if you're over Italian and they sleep. I'm going to say. I call him and I say, which way you did? And in the morning, he might tell me, say, him did over Italian. And him do it again. And say, well, him do over Italian. But I look and see somebody I do him here. Something there fucking out. I say me not getting trouble and them something there. You see me just get up and say me I go over somebody yard. You say me are the bad one and me I get trouble and them something there. So, Ashley are there, yeah.
What?
Ashley are there, yeah.
No. What are you talking about?
5 more persons with a rose.
What are you talking about?
The time we are going to river party, sleep out, Ashley that day here.
Ashley never do me here.
So which way did the time when you go sleep over there? Now over there you got this to sleep again.
Again? Ashley?
Why you so lie?
Ashley will try to bring me down, bro. Ashley will try to expose me. Ashley. If you be that stupid, bro.
So what is then? Over there you see the time.
So a little
What you repost me for the pan?
What?
At the same place you're not there.
When this up?
Yesterday the time yesterday when I go sleep over there.
This up?
Before when the time you left the Airbnb. Over there still. No, you can't think say nothing.
I'm not saying nothing. I call Italian. will show them things. People on live, I show them things. Something really wrong with them, Fabbi. So after what? So after all what Ashley do to me gone back to Ashley. Them name I should even call up back on the live, me I tell you. I close the one gay girl right now. Them name I should have called up on the live, bro. After me done there, so I'm happy me gone back with Ashley, bro.
That may I say. It
use a brain, bro.
It confuse me too.
Use a brain.
It confuse me too, you know.
Use a brain and stop doing things. I don't know if I like you do it for. Use a brain, bro. Cause me turn up this and I ask you, what do you? And you come in yesterday just with that. I close there, I get Ashley now, bro. Stop with them things there, bro. You see. I close there, I get her now. You listen to them people in the comments. Sam that them 40.